If you're considering becoming a yoga teacher and you're wondering how much money you can make, this video is for you. Come on inside the studio. Let's just address this question head on. So how does it work? How much money can you make? Let me just adjust the camera here. Here's how it works. As a starting teacher, usually you'll make about $20 to $40 per class, depending on where you are in the world. If you're in a high-end city like New York or London or San Francisco, you might even make $50 or $75 per class. Really, regardless of where you're living, your per hour rate is really pretty high. But here's the challenge. You probably already figured this out. You can't teach 40 hours per week. You'd be completely exhausted. So what do? Well, my recommendation for new teachers is just live simply. Keep your expenses low. When you're first starting out, teach as much as you can. Say yes to everything, even the low-paying jobs, so you can build up your expertise and your experience. After you've taught about 1,000 classes, which usually takes about 1 or 2 years, from there you'll be able to specialize. For me, specializing meant opening studios and training programs. For other teachers, it means working only with pregnant clients or working only with sports facilities. We have graduates who work only with rock climbers or only with CrossFitters. When you specialize, your per hour rate usually goes up by 2, 3, even 5x. So a typical path for one of our graduates is they spend about 1 to 3 years teaching drop-in classes. They begin teaching privately, and then they begin specializing, teaching retreats, workshops, and even training events. Now, let's be honest. If you're looking to become a millionaire, teaching yoga is probably not the best path to go on. But if you'd like to have a comfortable living, if you'd like to have meaningful work, purpose in your life, and really help people transform, at least for me, it's been a very, very fulfilling path, and for thousands of our graduates as well. I've been training teachers professionally since 2006. We have over 4,000 graduates now in 41 countries. They teach in 13 different languages. And the big difference is we teach mind-body fitness professionals. That means no chanting, no chakras, no incense, no ohms. We focus on the science of yoga to help people transform from the inside out. And even more, we're business positive. So we help our teachers really create a career and even a business for themselves. So if you're considering becoming a yoga teacher, if you were concerned about the business and the income side of things, I'd encourage you to look deeper into our program. We have a lot to offer. We're accepting applications for our next class. Check out yogateacherscollege.com, fill out an application, and I hope to see you in a course very soon.